So this is a bond condition violation?
Two things. She didn't comply with the bond condition to get a drug test, and then she also failed to appear for sentencing on March 30th.
Okay. So you're gonna just give us a new sentencing date?
Yes.
Okay. It wasn't really clear from the warrant that I got, so.
All right, this is case number 2012608FH, People versus Elena R. Main. And Ms. Main was picked up on a warrant for arrest, which in this case is that, number one, that she violated the conditions of her bond. There was an ex parte order entered revoking her bond, and also she failed to appear for court on March 30th, 2021. And she's appeared here in court with arraignment attorney Christine Frisbee. Ms. Frisbee, do you have anything that you want to bring to the court's attention regarding her failure to comply with the bond conditions and failing to appear in court?
She's not really sure why she failed to compare. She didn't tell me about the failure to take the drug test. She did note that she didn't have transportation for her sentencing date. I read her felony advice of rights. I wasn't sure which rights to read to her, but I did read her those. She's got ties to the community. She's lived here since she was 4 years old in the county. Parents and siblings live here. She doesn't think she has anything pending anywhere else besides here, and she says she has failed to appear for court, obviously, since that's what this is for. That's about it.
Well, the ex parte motion to revoke bond indicates that on March 25th, that she was charged with possession of methamphetamine, open container, furnishing false information of identification to a police officer for an incident that occurred on March 25th with the double drug enhancement. The motion doesn't say what county that occurred in, but I think, Ms. Main, do you have those new charges? You have to answer aloud. Oh, you're on mute. Sorry. Can't hear you. You can get on mute here and see what makes a difference.
She has to.
Can't hear you. See? No. You may want to ring the buzzer and see if you can get some assistance from the jail.
It's weird because I was able to talk to her, so.
Now we can hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
That was weird.
It's all weird over here. That did happen, but I don't have those. It's not pending. I never received a ticket or anything like that. I was nervous when I was when the officer had come and talked to me. I was nervous and I reacted.
I don't want to hear about that, because every information I have says that you were charged with that. Okay? Whether you've been arraigned on it or something, I don't know, but I don't want to hear about the facts of the case, because you very well may have charges there. All right. So as far as the sentencing, you didn't have a ride?
Yeah, I didn't have a ride, sir. It was my full intention to come. I didn't have a ride. I barely had any ties with my family that were helping me at the time. Now I've, obviously pulled myself out of that situation to be able to receive the right help. So other than that, I did show to all of my other court dates accordingly, and I didn't want to mess that up. So with that being said, I understand the consequences.
All right, the court is going to set a new bond in this case at $25,000 cash or surety. Going to set your sentencing for May 25th at 10 o'clock. And you'll
Okay.
get credit for the time that you're spending in jail towards whatever sentence you ultimately receive.
Right. Okay, thank you.
If you actually bond out, you need to call Mr. Prysock right away, okay?
Okay, yeah.
All right, that's all for today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.